Hi, good morning. It's me and my gigantic book of ideas once again. Once again, so many ideas, so little time. So many ideas, so little time. And I should actually be doing other stuff. As always. Okay, let's see. We're almost done with this. I think we're almost done with this one. Let's see. We're done with it. Oh, there is it. Pretty one. There's a pretty one. So I'm thinking of making something out of this envelope. That's what I'm thinking. How do I do that? I want to open it up. It will be. Ooh, I still don't have my punch. It's fine. It will be kinda that long. Okay? Kinda that long. Let me take this out. Take it. Oh, I have to be careful. There is stuff. Oh, this one is gonna bug me. Almost done with this signature again. And then we have another signature, and then we're gonna be done. So I have to take everything out, don't I? Stop bugging me. Okay. I put cards wherever there is pockets. I don't think I want to do that anymore. Okay, first things first. We're going to distress the page so it's done. Okay? So once we distress it, we don't have to worry about it. And this is the one where I decorated the edge, as you can see. I'm just gonna go ahead and do that. Whatever. My dogs are crazy today. Well, only one of them is crazy, as always. But he drives the other one crazy. So, Bernie is driving Luna nuts today. Like nuts. Joop. I don't know if this is gonna work. I have no idea. It has to. I mean, there's nothing like weird about it. Let me see. This probably has like, yep. I want to rip this open. I want to rip this open in between. That's what I'm a little concerned about, because there's plastic in between. There, right here is plastic. I have to see if I can rip plastic. Oh, it rips. Then my fingers don't go that far. Oh God, the crazy came here. The crazy one is here, right next to me. Not right next to me, but to the barricade. Oh my God, my fingers don't go that far. Can you hear him? He's crazy. My fingers, come on. Just a little more. Opa! I did it. Right there. I ripped it open. Now I have to glue this, whatever is not glued, down. Glue this part down. What else is not glued here? Glue this part down, go underneath. Nothing's glued in this house. Okay. You're all done. Then there's a little bit of this one sticking up. Gee, everything sticks up. Sometimes they are glued, you cannot unglue them, and sometimes it's not. Okay, so that's what I'm thinking. This is gonna be like, can it be though? It can, right? I'm wondering if it still could be a pocket. I don't know what I'm doing, like I said. Or we just glue it down completely and don't make a pocket in the back. Okay, I need to make these longer because obviously they're short, right? So let's just do step by step. See, that's an idea that's my own. because all day long, not all day long, but every time, well, every day, package my Etsy orders, and then I put this piece here on the barrier, and right on the barrier I also put all of the junk mail envelopes that I collect throughout the week. And then there is always so many that I'm like, oh my God, gotta do something with that. I could have just cut it. Why did I rip it? I could have just cut it because I'm gonna glue something on top of it anyways. I don't know. So this step was made for no reason at all. Oh, wait for it. I have to tell her to remind me again in 1 hour. Because I'm not getting up and making anything right now. Oh, gee. Okay, that one I've done already. She wants me to do grocery shopping. I did that. I do our grocery shopping online. Yeah. That's how smart I am now. Well, it's all thanks to Michelle. Whenever my husband had his heart attack and was in a hospital, and I was there too, and Brownie was a puppy, and you know, Michelle figured out how to do grocery shopping online. She figured it out. And ever since then, guess what? We haven't been shopping anymore. Because it's so cool. You know, they bring it to your door. So I'm thinking about making like a booklet. I'm also thinking I should totally use the leftover part right here as a pocket. I can glue it shut, right? Let's see. It's a belly band too. As you can see, it's also a belly band. But if I glue it shut inside, then it can totally be a pocket. You know, if I glue the whole thing, and I'm going to glue the whole thing shut inside. I don't even have to glue it shut. I could just put some washi tape on top, which I also will do. But I'm going to glue it shut as good as I can. On the bottom, whichever is going to be the bottom, I don't know yet. Choop, choop, choop. Okay, wonderful. And then I'm going to use some washi tape on top, but then I'm here, okay. And I might use, this is not, oh, because I cut this part with scissors. Like, why is this not straight? Because this is how I open my mail, with scissors. And my scissors are just not straight, you know? Okay. Okay. And I think I'm just going to put washi tape on here. I never use this one for some reason, because it goes up and down. Ah, because it goes up and down, and I don't have much up and down in my life here. I don't have much up and down. I'm gonna use this part. And then how far are we gonna go? Up until here. This is just so it slides in easier. If I can take it. Come on, almost there. Yup, yup, yup. I did it. So this way it's just going to slide in very easily, not getting stuck anywhere. And this is going to be the pocket right here. And maybe, just maybe, I should have made it a little, yeah, more narrow. I'm going to cut off just a little bit on the side as well. Oh, good. And yeah, just so it closes and doesn't create bulk too much, you know. Here a little more, and this should be good now. This is where it closes, and yep, very good. All right, let's just do it. Collecting my own ideas. And my friend Nicole messaged me earlier and she said she's gonna go craft now. So I'm like, okay, then I'm gonna go craft too. You're not gonna like video bomb me. Because she messages me every time I'm making a video. Like, okay. Now I would like for these parts to be a little longer. And I'm also thinking, if I make these parts a little longer, do I want for them to be pockets or not? Because I could totally make it longer and then have this part. Ooh, it kind of sounds good. I just don't know if this is workable, if that makes sense, if it's doable. And make it longer so you can write on it, but also have this part as a pocket. Is it doable? What, you don't know? Well, you will figure out. Oh, I have a bunch of stuff I should have brought with me, but I didn't. So I'm gonna make them pretty like this. See? That's what I'm thinking. And then this could be like a little pocket, just to stick some stuff in there. The only thing that will probably annoy me could be that I don't know if it's gonna get stuck on the plastic or not. That's the only thing that I would be worried about. But I guess we'll figure out and then we will know. Okay, so let's glue this right here on the sides and the back probably. And then let's figure out where it ends first. Okay, I glue it on here all the way back. And then it's gonna end right here somewhat, and right here somewhat. Right? Right. Let's cut. I'm cutting my pretty paper. But it's okay because I can make so much more pretty paper. It's never ending pretty paper. Never ending pretty paper. Okay, let's see if that's a good enough piece. What if I would like this to close in here? Still good enough piece. Oh goody. Now, right now I'm thinking, what if I glue it down here and have this as a pocket? And then I glue a different something just on here, so it covers this piece up, and then I can close it. How do I close it? Who knows? Now if I would not have had the thing on the back already, I could have made a closure maybe. Let's see. So my envelope goes here. I could try something out. Let's try something out. So this one will go here and it will open up like that. And I have decided one thing. And this one thing is, this is going to be a pocket. So I'm going to glue on the very bottom and on the side and on the side. Okay? And then I'm gonna close it. Oh, it sticks. I should have cut a little more. It sticks out a little bit. Cutting. Oh my god, I think I'm cutting the envelope a little bit. Oh well. It is what it is. But now this one is a pocket. Okay? This one is a pocket now. But also a writable space. And I'm also going to cut a little bit off here. Yep, that's what I'm going to do. So whenever it closes, it doesn't create bulk. Not much, just a tiny bit. Okay, my knife has to be somewhere. Where is my knife? Right here. Choop, just a little bit, like I said. Okay, that's gonna close off here. And this one is gonna get a piece of cardstock that goes all the way over. And I want it to be pretty, but this is pink now. Maybe we should just use up the pink leftovers. I have pink leftovers, I know I do. And because this is pink now, it doesn't really matter, does it? It's just not long enough. Am I doing it like the whole way in here though? Or am I just doing it here? I feel like doing it here wouldn't be too bad too. Just do it here and then it opens up. Questions, questions, questions. I think that's what I'm gonna do. I'm just gonna glue it on here. So this pretty thing is visible. This pretty thing is visible. Everything is visible. It wants me to take medication. Alexa wants me to take medication. Can we flip it? We kind of can. Okay, so where do I cut first? Let me cut this piece off first. And then turn it around and cut this piece off. All right. And hope for the best. See, that's why I use up these pieces. Yay! I'm happy about that. I don't know about you. I'm happy about using up everything and anything. Is it too long? Might be a little bit. Once again, we can cut it off a little later. First of all, we need to glue it. First of all, we need to distress it. And since it's really pink, we need to distress it. Really good. Maybe that will help tone it down a little bit. But the other side is actually for writing, so that's fine. Excuse me, please. And I will be seeing the whole side. Okay, now let's glue. I do one by one because I don't know what I'm doing, so I'm doing one by one, okay? I'm going to put glue. First of all, maybe I should cut off a little bit on the bottom because it really doesn't, let me see. I can cut it off whenever it's glued. We're fine. First of all, let's figure out where it goes. Kind of here. Keep it on here. Do not move. Ooh, I don't know if the plastic... We'll see. I don't know if the plastic is gonna get stuck. If not, I guess we will have an extra pocket. Please get stuck. Just like that. Okay, there's our pocket. See, now we have a flip. We have a pocket. We have a flip. We have a pocket. Which right now I'm even thinking maybe I should use up another little piece of this and decorate it right with that. Oh, that's gonna be too pink. I can't handle this. I can't handle this. I have the cutoff from here. I could handle that much. I probably could handle a little bit on the bottom of this one. I'm guessing I could. I don't know. Now it's a lot of pink. Now I'm kind of, I don't know, overwhelmed with the whole pink. But it's okay. I'm using up paper and it's my book of ideas. It's okay. It's okay. I just have to tell myself that it's gonna be just fine. Okay? Please let me tell myself that much. Okay, and I kind of don't like it being very straight, so I'm gonna rip, at least a little bit. And then I'm gonna distress the part that I ripped. And I need less than that, meaning I'm also gonna cut off probably this much. Please cut straight. Please cut straight. I'm going to distress this one a little bit too. I love this one. I know it's pink, but this one I like. The other one is kind of very pink. Okay, I'm just gonna put it on top. Oh my god, it's been 20 minutes and I haven't finished. Come on, girl, you can do this. Okay. Oh my god. Way too pink. Cover it up. Woo! Cover it up. Okay, now I'm thinking. Okay, I'm going to put a magnet on here. And put one on here. Because when I glue it down, oh, there's washi tape on there. And I can glue it down, and then the magnet can hold it closed. The only thing I do need to do is to cut a piece off here, because this is definitely too long. Whoop. And there is a tiny bit on the bottom. That's too long, as you can tell. Not much. Interesting. Like that. Okay, now that should be fine. Oh my god, it's still a tiny bit too long, but I think it's fine. Ooh! Oh my god. I hope nobody turns on this video and thinks this is like educational, okay? I really hope nobody does that. I really, really hope so. That nobody thinks this is in any way an educational short tutorial. You know what I mean? Okay, I'm gonna have it here. Oh, let's see if I have magnets right here and forever and ever. Oh, they ripped a hole in my bag. They were in my bag. Let's take two. Let's take and see if this one would fit here. It would. And then I would put this one kind of in the middle and this one kind of here, you know, and then boop, open up. You know what I mean? So I will glue the magnet on the bottom here, and then I will glue the whole thing right here and not lose this magnet. These are flat, thank God. Very flat. I think I ordered them from Ali a long time ago. Wait. It has to go as far down here as possible. Oh no, which way are they? Oh, this is the way they are magneting. Okay, the other way they don't, right? I need to figure out which way I have to glue this thing. This way. Yep, this way. Okay, and then the other one this way. Okay, so I don't know if it's gonna go through the whole thing though. Did I check it out? Let's check it out with another one. If you are here, and where are you? You will be here. Can you still hold? Oh, it seems like it will still hold through the layers. Yes? Okay. Oh! Where did it go? I'm not very good with stuff like this. Just so you know. I'm not very good with anything, especially with stuff like this. Some glue on the magnet. So this hopefully glues down. Then I glue this one on top, just like that. Hopefully. Yep, looks like it. And now all I need to do is to find it, right? It's a little crooked, but we will survive. Boop, found it. So this needs to go right on here. I found it. Okay. Now we can open and then open. What did this come? Oh, what did the? Of course, it's not holding on. Okay. Okay, I think I'm good. Find it. Okay, that's your spot where you are going to go. Found it. And just in case you want to move around or something, I'm gonna stick a piece of paper on top. I'm just looking for one that, you know, we can use. Just so you don't move around, magnet, you know? You never know where you're planning on going. We'll keep you right here. Right here. Right here. You're staying. Now I could, if I wanted to, still make it into a pocket in the back. You know, right here. Oops. How did the glue come in here? I do not know. It's not the magnet that was holding it. Okay. I could make a pocket right here. You know, maybe I should. Maybe I should. Because why not? Let's glue a throwaway piece of paper. I do not have throwaway piece of papers. There's no way that I have something in my trash that is a piece of paper that is long and, you know, no way. No way. What do you do in this situation? What do you glue on there? You know what I mean? What do you glue on there? Should we just take this? This is not very sturdy. And we could put it in the back. This way it makes the pocket sturdy. Shall we just do that? Okay, let's just do that. I'm gonna cut right here. It's like my friend Nicole was telling me, I don't know, did I tell you that or not? But she was telling me like, there's a challenge or something, I don't remember. You have to use an ugly piece of paper for that. And then make something beautiful out of it. And I'm like, well, that doesn't work. There is no such thing. You know? There is no ugly paper. So, I'm in trouble. I don't have any ugly papers. Okay, let's say this one. Is it big enough and small enough at the same time? Yes, it is. Okay, we're gonna glue it right on top. It doesn't matter which side, because it's not gonna be visible. It's just gonna make the pocket sturdy. Glue, 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 glue. What? Put glue on my fingers. See, then I didn't have to cover it up. But this way, at least, it doesn't go anywhere. It does not go anywhere. This way. This way it stays where it's supposed to stay. Okay, we glued you down. Maybe if we open this up, it's going to be even better. But I want another piece of the same tape. Oh. Ah, this is upside down again. Okay, okay, how do we do that? I'm just going to get another one of these. Oh, I'm going to end up with just pieces of tape here. Because I don't want anything to get stuck. I would like to make it smooth. Make sense? No, I'm throwing this away instead of this. Oh, God. Me. That's me. Please don't, yeah. Please don't glue it on top of that. Okay. Girl. And maybe not here. There you go. Now it's smooth. And now we can stick something in here. I don't have a notch or anything in here. I don't I think it's fine. Okay, we're done. 29 minutes. So, whatever you want to do here, you could put the flower on there. Maybe we will, maybe we won't. I do not know. But this one is a pocket now. You see, you don't even need a flower. There's going to be something right here. It's okay. I'm just going to leave this one in this pocket now. So I know that it's a pocket. And here, we know it's a pocket, no matter what. And now here, I'm going to glue it down like a lot, if that makes sense. Because there is a magnet and I don't want it to rip off. So whatever goes into this pocket, it's not going to be as wide of a tag or whatever, if that makes sense. But I want it to be stuck down really good, especially on that one side. Because of the magnet there, I don't know how it's going to go. I don't want it to rip the magnet off. Okay. Did I give enough explanation? Open it up. Open it up. Now it's better. Easier. I could actually also use for these things. Okay. Okay. I hope it's down. Stuck down. Stuck down. Bloop. It holds. I like that. This goes back into my packaging folder here. Okay. So there it is. Bloop, bloop. Pocket, writing spot, pocket, writing spot, pocket, and closure. What do you think? You know, the only thing I think is maybe I should stick a flower on here. That's all I'm thinking about. What are you thinking about? Let's find a little flower just to decorate. It's so pink. It's so pink. I want to put like a book page on top. I don't know. How do you live with that? Oh, maybe. No. No. Oh, stop it. Just stop it now. Find something in your flower. That's weird. Weird looking. Do we have... I'm pretty sure I did not order pink flowers. So if there is one for some reason, that will be luck. There's this one. It's not really pink. I don't know how that looks. It looks weird, doesn't it? I don't like it. I don't like it. I don't like it. How about the bigger? Oop. How about this one? This one doesn't look weird because it's, well, first of all, it's upside down. But second thing, it fits exactly into the window. Okay, okay, now we're talking. Now, I'm sorry, but I gotta do one more thing. Where is... Oh my God, I know I cleaned up. And where did I put all of them? I put a whole envelope of the book pages that my friend sent to me somewhere because I cleaned up. Breathe. Phew. Put them all in a new box, you know, in a new box. I'm totally considering covering this up. I'm sorry. Maybe I'll leave a little bit out there. But using up one of the old pages, I can't handle it. I should have known. I should have known that I won't be able to handle this pinkiness here. But I tried, and I wanted cardstock. And this way, you know, I did get cardstock, but... And it's okay if I cover this up. I'm fine with that. Oh my God, so much prettier, isn't it? It is totally doing that. Oh. And now we have on the inside old pinkiness too, which is okay. On the inside, it's a different thing, you know? But the outside, it's too pinky, pinky. Okay, this is not a pocket, right? So we could actually just also, I don't know, I'm gonna use this somewhere else. No, that's too much, too much, too much, too much. I was thinking maybe like it's a bridge in between this and that, but I don't think it's a good thing. Okay, now I'm thinking maybe I shouldn't put a flower here, but a pretty big flower there. Oh goody. I do not know. Now everything is messed up. I don't know. I might not do anything at all anymore. Because now I'm getting all pretty. Pretty. You know what? I think maybe the problem here is this card. If I have it like that, and then I have it like that, it looks much better. So, goodbye card. Okay. And I'm going to glue this one right here. I think it looks really good. Let's do this. If I can find my pokey tool without it poking me. Okay, there it is. Choop. Yes, I think now I will be happy. Yep, I think now I will be happy. Okay, now I'm happy. All right, only took us how long? 37 minutes. Well, I had to, you know, figure out on the go what I want. And I'm not going to decorate the inside because I don't have to, right? But there was spot for a card. There could be a card, and then you close this. There could be a card, which, you know, I don't want to stick out on this side. Will it be okay? Oh, that's not too bad. It has sewing and some pink, so I'm fine with that. And that holds on, you know, let's see. Yep, it does not open, so we're good. Bloop. Alrighty. I like it. Another envelope used. Thank God. There's many, many, many more to go. So I don't know. And I don't know if I would want to mass make this one. Because it took me so long. I don't think I would mass make this one. One is enough. Maybe one for my journal sometime later in live. But not mass making. Nope. I don't think it's gonna like relax me. I think it would stress me out. I wonder if I should put some saying, quote or something on it. But actually I like how it looks like, just like that. You know? Just kind of has something. I hope you enjoyed this. Oh, these pretty things are not going anywhere but into this little box where I keep the pretty things that I can use and all the leftovers from my washi tape now. Like I said, I hope you enjoyed this. I hope maybe it gave you an idea. I don't know. It just looked very complicated because, and it took so much time because I was thinking on the go. But once you see the whole product, it's probably gonna take you, a good crafter, 10 minutes and you will be done. So yeah. I hope you guys are happy and healthy and enjoying your day, and I see you soon. Bye-bye.